How to hide your mobile number on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp. Sign into your account. Navigate to three dots at top right. From this drop-down menu, choose Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy option. And here you will see different privacy settings like last seen and online, profile photo, about, and status. Simply to hide your mobile number on WhatsApp, tap About. It has been said to everyone, simply tap Nobody. Now no one will be able to see your About section on WhatsApp including your mobile number. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.